Are we finally witnessing the long-predicted real estate market correction? Or is 2025 shaping up to be the year buyers and smart investors have been waiting for? In this video, we're diving deep into what's really happening in the real estate market right now, focusing on key areas like Denver and beyond. We'll break down shocking new data, expert insights, and what you can do to stay ahead, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. The shift in the real estate market isn't happening in isolation. Several key factors are colliding in 2025. Interest rates, after peaking at nearly 8% in 2023, rates have now stabilized around 6.5%, making mortgages slightly more affordable but still out of reach for many. Inflation, slowing but still present, many households are tightening budgets, delaying major purchases including homes. Job market, layoffs in tech and finance are causing some ripple effects in urban real estate markets, especially in cities like Denver, Austin, and Seattle. Investor pullback, institutional buyers have slowed their purchases by 30%, giving traditional buyers more room but also signaling uncertainty. These factors together are creating the perfect storm that's driving the correction narrative. Let's zoom in on Denver, one of the hottest and now one of the most talked about markets in the US. Between 2020 and 2022, home prices in Denver surged nearly 40%. Fast forward to 2025, and we're seeing clear signs of cooling. Price drops in neighborhoods like Highlands Ranch and Aurora. Builders offering incentives like covering closing costs or throwing in upgrades. Open houses that were once packed are now quieter, and buyers are negotiating more aggressively. But here's the twist: Denver is still experiencing population growth. The city's appeal hasn't vanished, it's just shifted into a beer's market. So is it crashing? No, but it's definitely correcting. And savvy buyers are starting to make moves again. Across the country, we're seeing market alerts that every homeowner, investor, and beer should watch. Inventory is climbing in major metros like Phoenix, Tampa, and yes, Denver. More homes are hitting the market. This leads to more competition among sellers and potential price drops. Price reductions are becoming common. In some zip codes, up to 40% of listings have had at least one price cut. Rent growth is slowing. Investors banking on high rental yields may need to reassess, especially in oversupplied areas. These signs don't point to disaster, but they do signal a turning point. The frenzy is over. Now it's about strategy. Let's project ahead. What does the rest of 2025 look like? Prices will stabilize. Most experts expect modest growth between 1 to 3% nationally, but some local markets will see slight declines or even rebounds. Sellers will adjust. Many homeowners who bought in 2021 to 2022 at peak prices may choose to stay put, reducing supply of quality listings. Mortgages will remain tight. Lending standards are stricter. Buyers with strong credit will benefit most. Remote work is evolving. Hybrid models are impacting where people choose to live, boosting demand in second-tier cities and suburbs. AI and real estate tech. From AI-powered home valuations to virtual home tour, the tools for buying and selling are getting smarter, and those who use them will win. Where are the opportunities? Even in a cooling market, there's opportunity if you know where to look. First-time buyers, with less competition and more room to negotiate, this might be the best time in years to get in. Investors, look for distressed properties or motivated sellers in high-growth zip codes. Flippers, with material costs stabilizing, renovation projects are coming back into play. Just be smart about your ARV. Relocation buyers, people moving for work or lifestyle, are still buying. Focus on value and long-term appreciation potential. Tips to navigate the 2025 market. Here's your 2025 survival guide. Get pre-approved now before rates shift again. Work with local agents who understand neighborhood-level data. Don't wait for the perfect time. it rarely exists. Focus on value, not hype. Be ready to walk away if the numbers don't work. Final thoughts plus what you should do now. The real estate market in 2025 isn't crashing, but it is correcting. Whether you see that as a threat or an opportunity depends on how prepared you are. If you're planning to buy, this could be your moment. If you're investing, pick your markets carefully. And if you're selling price smart, stage well, and understand the shift. Comment below, are you planning to buy, sell, or wait in 2025? Subscribe for weekly deep dives into the real estate market. And check out the links in the description for my free housing market checklist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.